let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 6 of chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. And we are going to start today trigonometric identities. So let us discuss about identities. An equation is called an identity when it is true for all values of the variables involved. Okay? अगर उसी इक्वेशन में अगर हम लोग ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज यूज कर रहे हैं, so that identity is known as trigonometric identities. Similarly, an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity if it is true for all values of angles involved. Any doubt? Okay, so now let us start with the first identity. First identity के लिए I'm going to take one right triangle, a right triangle, right angled at B. Okay, and with respect to angle A, what is the opposite side?
BB.
BC. Okay, with respect to angle A, what is the adjacent side? AB. Right.
AB.
So sin A होगा opposite upon hypotenuse O by H. So it will be BC upon AC, and what will be cos A by H. So क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पर?
AB by AC.
Very good. AB by AC. Right. Now if we apply Pythagoras theorem, what we will get?
AC square
AC square
plus
plus
B square
Right.
AB square
AC square is
square.
equals to AB square plus BC square. Right. Now see, what we will do, we will divide both sides by AC square. इसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों साइड को AC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करेंगे, डिवाइडिंग ईच टर्म ऑफ वन बाय AC स्क्वायर. सो AB स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर, BC स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर, AC स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर. सो राइट साइड इट विल बिकम 1. ओके, AB स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर को कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? AB बाय AC होल स्क्वायर. Similarly, BC square by AC square we can write BC by AC whole square. So this step we will get. ये 1 हो जाएगा, इधर इसी स्टेप में 1 लिख सकते थे हम लोग. Now AB upon AC क्या है? What is AB
Cos.
upon? Cos A.
cos
And what is BC upon AC?
sin A
Right.
Sin
So
A.
this we are going to replace it by cos A whole square plus sin A whole square is equals to 1. अभी cos A का whole square means cos square A. And how will you write sin A whole square? Sin square
sin
A.
square A
Right. So this will imply cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1. So this is the first identity, trigonometric identity of our syllabus under trigonometric identities. This is the first trigonometric identity. So now we are going to see the second trigonometric identity. उसके लिए that is belongs to tan A and sec A. ठीक है. So what is tan A? tan होता है
B.
O by A. What is tan
BC
A?
by AB
Right, very
BC
good.
by AB.
Okay. So tan A is BC by AB, and what is sec A? H by adjacent.
AC by
AB. AC by AB.
Right, AC by AB. अभी दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर देखो AB है. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में we will divide both sides by AB square. Okay, if we divide both sides by AB square, then we'll get AB square upon AB square, BC square upon AB square and AC square upon AB square. फिर ये होल स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा and this will become 1. And what is BC by AB?
BC by AB also
Tan A.
tan
What is AC by AB?
Sec A.
Sec A. So now we are going to replace this 2 by tan square A and sec square A. So this is the second identity. Okay. Now we are moving towards the third identity. So फिर से Pythagoras theorem वाला equation लेंगे, equation 1. Okay. Now we'll write, देखो sin हो गया, कॉस हो गया, टैन हो गया, सेक हो गया, अब क्या बचा हुआ है? कॉसेक और कॉट ए. Okay, right. So what is cot A here? Cot A होगा A by O.
AB by BC.
Right, AB by BC. Right. So cot A is AB by BC. Now cosec A, hypotenuse upon opposite. AC by BC. Right. अभी दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? BC. So what we will do? We will divide both sides by BC square. So what we will get? AB square upon BC square, BC square upon BC square and AC square upon BC square. फिर इसका होल स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट कर लो. Now in this will become 1. And what is AB by BC? Cot A. And what is AC by BC? Cosec A. So we will replace it by cot square A plus 1 is equals to cosec square A. So this is the third identity. So total 3 identities हैं हम लोग के इस क्लास 10th के सिलेबस में. So we will recapitulate. फिर से एक बार recapitulate कर लेते हैं summary. So this is the first one. उसको rearrange करके लिखें sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now from this identity we can make another 2 identities. How? First you shift sin square theta to this side. What you will get?
Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta.
Right. Okay, fine. Now you will shift एक minute. Priyanshi, you say if you shift cos square theta to this side, what it will become?
Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta.
Very good. So we will get 2 more identities. Okay. First we'll get sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. And the second one we will get cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So altogether we have 3 identities here. ये भी दोनों identities है. This also we can use as a formula. We can use as an identity. Now the second identity, what we have proved that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Right? Now if we shift 1 to this side, Shweta, what it will become?
Tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1.
Very good. Vanilla, if we shift tan square theta to this side, then what it will become? Anish?
Yes, sir.
If you shift tan square theta to this side, what it will become?
Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1.
Very good. So we will get 2 identities. First one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. और दूसरा मैंने कहा था कि अगर 1 को शिफ्ट करेंगे तो sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. So यहाँ पर भी हम लोग का 3 identities हो गया. These 2 also we can use as an identities. Now let us move towards the third one. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. If you shift 1 to this side, what it will become?
Cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta.
कीर्ति बोलो. कीर्ति repeat.
Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1.
Very good. Now if you shift this to this side, Manogna, what you will get?
So 1 is equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta.
Very good. So we will have 2 more identities from this. One is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1, and the another one is cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. So all together we have 9 identities. Okay, and प्रूफ करते समय हम लोग को 2 और आइडेंटिटीज की जरूरत पड़ सकता है. That 2 identities are also very important. One is tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Already we have seen this one. And the second one is the reciprocal of this, that is cot theta is equals to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. इनके अलावा 3 more formula is there. I repeat, cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta, sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta, cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta. Okay, ये सारे formulas याद रखने हैं. Okay, Now we are moving towards one example. See how these identities we have to use in the questions that I'm going to take up, explain with the help of examples. So first example, prove that 1 minus sine square theta into sec square theta is equals to 1. So we'll take LHS. Now 1 minus sine square theta can be replaced as formula.
Cos square.
Yes, cos square theta. Now which formula we have used? 1 minus sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. Now after that, sec square theta can be written as
1 plus tan square theta.
no,
1 plus tan square theta.
1 upon cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta. Why? Because sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. Then only we can cancel it. And we will get 1. That is the proof. Any doubt?
No sir.
ठीक है. हमेशा यही आइडेंटिटीज यूज करना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta, that is also correct, but that is not required here. Okay, now we'll see one more example. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta into cos square theta is equals to 1. So we'll take LHS. 1 plus tan square theta, we can write it as
Sec square theta.
sec square theta into cos square theta. This formula we have used. Now again, sec square theta can be written as
1
1 by cos square theta.
right, 1 by cos square theta. Reason, this formula we have used. तो ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. And what is the final answer?
1.
1. That is the RHS. Okay, यही proof करना था. Okay, now we'll move towards one more example. We'll start exercise directly. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. ध्यान से समझो क्वेश्चन को. साइन ए को कॉट ए के टर्म्स में एक्सप्रेस करना है, सेक ए को कॉट ए के टर्म्स में एक्सप्रेस करना है और टैन ए को. सो सबसे इजी जो है वो ये वाला है. कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे टैन को कॉट में?
tan A
1 by
Yes, tan A is equals to 1 upon cot A. Now we'll think about this two. ये दोनों के बारे में सोचते हैं. So पहले we will take up sin A. Sin A we can write 1 upon cosec A. Okay, and what is the formula of cosec A? Trigonometric ratios, ये identities. Cosec square theta क्या होता है?
cot square theta plus 1.
plus 1.
Okay, 1 plus cot square theta. तो ये हो जाएगा square root of 1 plus cot square A. Any doubt?
No sir.
This formula we have used. Right. Now sec A. How will you write sec A? 1 upon cos A. फिर cos A को हम लोग एक छोटा सा ट्रिक यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाई sin A. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? cot
A.
और ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon sin cosec. So this we can write cosec A upon cot A. Okay. और वी कैन यूज डायरेक्टली दिस फॉर्मूला. साइन ए की जगह पे ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं जो ऊपर हम लोग डिराइव किए हैं. दिस वन. नाउ टेक रेसिप्रोकल. यू विल गेट द आंसर. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन. सेक ए इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन कॉस ए. कॉस ए को यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय साइन ए किए. नाउ दिस विल बिकम कॉट ए. एंड इसका फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी हम लोग यहाँ पे डिराइव कर चुके हैं, उसको रिप्लेस किए. ठीक है. नाउ you have to take reciprocal, then we'll get this one. One more alternative method is there to find the sec A. We'll do that one. See, sec A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. Sec square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. This formula is all of you know, the second identity. Now how will you write tan in terms of cot?
1 by cot square A.
Right, 1 by cot square A. Now take LCM. Now what will be sec A? Square root of this one. Okay. एक मिनट, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट पहले से लगा देते हैं हम लोग. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए अंडर रूट अपॉन कॉट ए. एनी डाउट?
No sir.
Okay. Now see the third one, I already told you tan A is equals to 1 upon cot A. So first question is over. Now let us move towards the second question. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle in terms of sec A. सारे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो को sec A के टर्म्स में लिखो. तो सबसे पहले जो इजी वाला जो है वो cos है. How will you write cos in terms of sec A?
1 by sec.
1 by sec A. Right. तो अभी हम लोग पहले साइन निकाल लेते हैं. How will you write sine? This formula we know that sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A, and sin A can be taken as square root of this one. Now how will you write cos in terms of sec? That I already told, 1 upon sec A. So 1 upon sec square A हो जाएगा. Now take LCM. This will become sec square A minus 1 upon sec square A. अब जब स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो नीचे का स्क्वायर हट जाएगा, and we'll get finally root over sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Clear?
Yes sir.
Second one, cos A. Cos A को लिखेंगे 1 upon sec A. So two trigonometric ratios हो गए यहाँ पर. Okay. Now tan. Tan का फॉर्मूला है, tan का जो आइडेंटिटी है क्या था? tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. So tan A हो जाएगा root over sec square A minus 1, because this formula we have already seen just now. This is the second identity. So ये तीनों हो गया. अगर ये तीनों निकल गया तो बाकी दो भी निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि पांच आइडेंटिटीज को हम लोग को sec A के टर्म में लिखना है. तो अभी बचे क्या क्या? cosec, साइन का रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज cot, tan का रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे. सो विल स्टार्ट विथ cosec. cot इज अ रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ tan. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 1 by root over sec square A minus 1. Now we'll take cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखेंगे. कैसे लिखोगे? sec A by root over sec square A minus 1. Any doubt?
No sir.
थोड़ा से प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके. सो इसमें क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. राइट ऑल द अदर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ एंगल A in terms of cosec A, in terms of cot A, in terms of tan A. ओके. सो हम लोग का जब रिवीजन चलेगा तब मैं वो सारे क्वेश्चंस में करवाऊंगा. सो नाउ लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Evaluate first bit. Sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Second bit, sin 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sin 65 degree. ओके. ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल से रिलेटेड है, एंड दैट पार्ट हैज बीन रिमूव्ड फॉर दिस एकेडमिक ईयर. Okay, so anyhow we are doing that also. So this also will do. So we'll take LHS. उससे पहले sin square 63, मैंने कहा था कि ये दोनों क्या है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री रेशियोज हैं. तो दोनों में से किसी एक को चेंज करना है. तो 63 को चेंज कर रहे हैं. हाउ विल यू चेंज? 90 डिग्री minus 27. So what is sin 90 minus theta?
Cos theta.
थीटा यहाँ पर 27 डिग्री है, तो ये हो जाएगा cos स्क्वायर 27 डिग्री. अब ये दोनों में से कोई एक लेंगे हम लोग. 73 ले लेते हैं. 73 we can write 90 minus 17. Now this is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. What is the formula?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Theta, the value of theta is 17 degree. तो ये हो जाएगा sin square 17. The formula used is this one. Now substitute. यहाँ पे ये वापस substitute करेंगे. In place of this we will write cos square 27 degree. In place of this we will write sin square 17 degree. Now both are in the form of cos square theta plus sin square theta. And what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta?
1.
1. तो ये दोनों 1 हो जाएगा. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is the identity. So first bit हो गया. Now second bit. This is the second bit. Sin 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sin 65 degree. Now see 25 और 65 दोनों यहाँ पर complementary angles हैं. So any one we have to change. अगर 25 को चेंज करना है तो कैसे चेंज करोगे?
90 minus
90 minus
90 minus 65 और 65 को चेंज करना है तो
90
cos
minus
90 minus 25.
राइट 90 minus 25 राइट. सो मैं अभी 65 दोनों साइड 65 को चेंज कर रहा हूँ. सो रूल ये कहता है कि अगर मान लो दोनों एंगल सेम है तो या इसमें 25 कर रहे हैं तो इसमें भी 25 को ही करना है, अदरवाइज वो दोनों साइड मैच नहीं होगा. नहीं समझ में आया? मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ. अगर दोनों पेयर सेम है, देखो 25 65 25 65, तो जो एंगल यहाँ पे चेंज कर रहे हैं वही एंगल इस साइड भी चेंज करना है. सपोज 65 चेंज कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर भी 65 करना है. अगर यहाँ पे 25 कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर भी 25 करना है. ये चीज समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is cos 90 minus 25?
Sin 25.
Sin 25. What is sin 90 minus 25?
Cos 25.
Cos 25. तो ये हो जाएगा sin 25 और ये हो जाएगा cos 25. ठीक है? Now sin 25 into sin 25 will become sin square 25. Cos 25 into cos 25 will become cos square 25. So sin square 25 plus cos square 25 क्या होगा?
1.
Why? Why?
1. The formula.
Which formula?
Sin square theta plus
Anas,
cos
Anas,
square theta
Anas.
is equals to
Anas will tell the formula. स्क्रीन में लिखा हुआ है, देखो यहाँ पर.
Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1.
What is the value of a here?
कहाँ पे है? 25.
25. Okay. So this is equals to 1 because sin square a plus cos square is equals to 1. So now we'll move towards question number 4. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So we'll start with by taking 9 common from these two. पहले 9 common ले लेंगे इन दोनों में से. So यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? sec square a और यहाँ पे tan square a बचेगा. And what is sec square a minus tan square a?
1.
1.
Right. Because we have one formula that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So 9 into 1 9 हो जाएगा और correct option क्या आंसर है? B.
B.
Okay. Now second bit. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. And we have to select A, B, C, D. So we'll start with the expanding tan theta, sec theta, cot theta, cosec theta. ये सबको क्या करेंगे हम लोग? What we will do? We will write in the form of sin cos. So how will you write tan theta?
sin theta by cos theta.
Very good. Sin theta by cos theta. How will you write sec theta?
1 by cos theta.
Right. And cot theta?
1 by tan
Cos theta by sin theta.
Sin और cos ही बोला हूँ मैं. Cos theta by sin theta. Right. Cosec theta?
1 by sin theta.
Okay. Now I am going to replace. This step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll take LCM. इसमें cos theta LCM में आएगा और इसमें sin theta. And this one will become cos theta and this one will become sin theta. If we take LCM, this step. Clear? Now see,
Yes, sir.
we'll take this as a first term, this as a first term and one as a second term. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. दिख रहा है सबको? a plus b into a minus b. So it will become a square minus b square, that is cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square, that is 1, and cos theta into sin theta denominator. Whether this step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now what is cos theta plus sin theta whole square? We will use the formula a plus b whole square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1. Now what is cos square theta plus sin square theta?
1.
1. We will replace it by 1. तो ये वाला कैंसिल हो जाएगा इसके साथ में जब रिप्लेस करेंगे तो. So what will left over here? 2 cos theta sin theta, and the denominator already cos theta sin theta is there. So what is the final answer?
2.
2. Correct option
C.
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 Right. So correct option is C. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we'll do the third bit. Okay. We'll do the third bit. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equals to dash. So we will convert all in terms of sin cos. So how will you write sec A?
1 by cos A.
How will you write tan A?
Sin A by cos A.
Right. So we are going to replace it by 1 by cos A, sin A by cos A. You can write the reason over here also, because it is a multiple choice question. That is why I am not writing the reason here. So now you can take LCM. दोनों का same denominator है. So what we will get? 1 plus sin A upon cos A. और ये already था into 1 minus sin A. Now what you will get from these two? The product of these two.
1 square minus sin square A.
Final 1 minus sin square A. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1 minus sin square A.
Cos square A.
Cos square A by cos A.
Cos A.
Cos A. That means which option is correct?
D.
D. Right. We have used this formula. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So correct option is D. So now we are moving towards the last bit of question number 4. That is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. And we have to choose the correct option. Okay. So A, B, C, D. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसमें? Cot को tan में convert करेंगे. How will you convert cot in terms of tan?
1 by tan square A.
Right. So 1 upon tan square A. Now we will take LCM. यहाँ पे LCM लेंगे. ये स्टेप क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी ये डिवाइड में है, अगर इनटू में लिखेंगे तो क्या होगा? रेसिप्रोकल लेना
Tan
पड़ेगा.
square A by tan square A plus 1.
ओके, अब ये दोनों ए भी कैंसिल कर रहे हैं, तो tan square A ही बचेगा. So which is the correct option?
D.
D. Right.
D.
So therefore the correct option is D. And this is the last question of today's session. And now only one question is left, that is fifth question. Fifth question में 10 bits है, and that we will do tomorrow. Tomorrow the class timing is at from 2:30, not from 3. Okay, and all of you must attend the class because tomorrow I am going to wind up this chapter. So that's all for today's class. Thank you very much. These are the assignment questions you have to complete. All are very small questions. Okay. Okay.
Sir.
आज के क्लास में किसी को कोई डाउट है?
नहीं, sir.
You watch once again for better understanding. I will upload the video.